Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Shadow and this will be a multi-channel video. It will also be on my other channel, product review channel, so go check that out when you have time. This is another product review for feelookart, and this is a January promotion. And what's the name of the promotion? Yeah. Diamond art inspired by classic literary stories. That's this month's promotion for January. So let's see what I picked out. This is a lot smaller than what I normally get. Thank goodness, because I was beginning to wonder if I was ever going to show anything that actually matched up to my desk. Oh, well, this is cute. Hold on. I never thought they were going to do that. Well, let's see what we have here. It is a collectible card. Oh, I love that idea. Like Diamond Art Club? Starlight collector's card. Wow, I think this is a silver. Well, we'll find out. Hold on a sec. I'll keep you here because you're cute. And there's nothing in the book. It says anything about it, so maybe it'll be in here. And I'm gonna hate myself for opening this, but I really don't like opening it unless I know there's something new in it. So we'll find out. Same old so far. Okay. Get rid of you. I actually like these pens. And I'm actually going to work on it this month. Still not branded, but I'm pretty sure they're going to brand it sooner or later. I like the fact that they doing the cards. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is white. Definitely. I like this. Thank you, feelookart. And I'm going to put this away because I don't want it all over the place. I don't want to lose anything. I like the fact that they're doing the cards. Oh, hold on a sec. I guess they're not doing the roller ones anymore, which kind of sucks, but I'm cool. I only need one. Back together. Oh, I have to check it. I have to look at this better. I so love the prismatic thing going on with this. Look at that. I'm gonna have to get a card folder. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Ooh. Okay. Now, time for the drills. And you guys know I always show the picture last. The canvas last. How many? I'm going to take a sneak peek. How many? Oh, this is a partial. You get 10 colors. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get this done quick. I am glad. I'm so glad. We had like 3 or 4 different pictures to choose from for each particular series. We're getting much better at this. I'm starting to be really impressed. Even got the name on the little bags here. And look at this. Wow. Mm, wow. Time to check out the canvas. Oh, I hate that noise. I hate the noise. No, I'll get this later. I'm way too impatient for this. Okay. Bring it back in. When tiny sparks become masterpieces. Look at that. This is actually a partial. I didn't even know that. So I should be able to get this done in a fair amount of time. There's 10 colors. I don't know what this is. FY, maybe it's because they're just bigger drills. And yes, it's DMC coated. The back smooth, soft as ever. I love the thick cover sheet. And as always, the stick is awesome. Let's see. You can see that, right? Everything's in its proper place, nice and clear. Nice and clear. And it's 30 by 40 centimeters, which is 11.8 by 15.7 inches. Fabric is 38 by 48 centimeters, 15 inches by 18.9. And they are on Facebook and Instagram. Eco-responsible canvas, made to last. No bleed, no waste. It's true, there's no bleed in here. There's no bleed in any of them. So what do you think, guys? I think this is pretty cool. I didn't think it would turn out this good, but I will be working on this in the next few days so you can see and check it out and try to get your own version. There's a whole bunch. There's like maybe 12 different ones to pick out of. I forgot which ones they were. I know they had a Christmas Carol and Alice in Wonderland and something else. I don't remember what it was, but this looks pretty cool. This'll keep me busy for a bit. Okay, that's it. Had some cool surprises today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you wish to do more, my birthday's coming up. Go check out my About section. And have a great day. Namaste.